Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a general no contact reading. This is for all the signs, irrespective of any zodiac sign, and this is a timeless reading. So, whenever you come across this reading may have some insights for you. Alright, so in this reading, we will see the overall energy right now, the energy of the person you are not in contact with, and what are their thoughts about you, what are their thoughts about you, and what are their feelings for you, what are the blockages in this connection, what are the next moves if there are any, the probable outcome and the advice. And also we will take a guiding message from the fairies deck at the end, so please do stay till the end. If you would like a more personal reading, you can reach out to me. My email ID is mentioned in the description of this video and also in my channel's info. Okay, so let's start the reading. Okay, let's see what is the current energy here in this no contact situation. What is the current energy here in this no contact situation? What is the current energy in this no contact situation? What is the current energy in this no contact situation? What is the current energy in this no contact situation? Okay, good. Wow, the cards are falling off. Okay. Major arcana cards. It's not a surprise, but yeah, it is that all the cards are the major arcana cards in the current energy right now. That means a major cycle of life, a major phase of your life has come into the picture or in the situation. Okay, now let's see what is the energy right now here. So basically the current energy here is, something completed. As I was saying, a major phase of your life, area of your life is, going to shift or has already shifted. For some of you, ये चीज ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है एंड फॉर सम ऑफ यू दैट इज द एनर्जी राइट नाउ. एक पर्टिकुलर फेज आपकी लाइफ में कंप्लीट हो रहा है. मे बी ये कनेक्शन फॉर वेरी फ्यू दिस वाज अ कार्मिक कनेक्शन एंड समवेयर द जस्टिस has come. If the situation was जहाँ पे आप किसी legal judgment का, if the situation has gone into the legal thing, right, the court decisions or anything like that, तो वहाँ पर it's like the justice has been served या फिर whatever the outcome was that has come out and now आपकी वो जो stuck energy वाली phase थी कि चीज़ें कब खत्म होंगी, मैं कब इससे बाहर आऊँगा या आऊँगी, this is not irrespective of any gender, this is all the overall energy. So जो भी वो cycle था that has completed and now somewhere you need to come out of this stuck energy. कि जो एनर्जी थी ना कि चीजें कब खत्म होगी, मैं कब इस साइकिल से बाहर आना, मुझे इससे बाहर आना है, कब ये सब खत्म होगा. सो दैट इज गोइंग टू change, that is going to shift because the world card says the completion. Okay, it's like something has ended for good. I know it can be a painful ending and to say that for good it's not so easy to understand, but कभी कभी कुछ नया शुरू होने के लिए कुछ पुराना खत्म होना जरूरी होता है, राइट. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू सी द थिंग्स इन दैट वे एंड अ मेजर फॉर सम ऑफ यू इट वाज अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फेज ऑफ योर लाइफ. कि बहुत एकदम unexpected चीज थी and it was very heavy on you to deal with, but that phase of your life is somewhere ended. Okay, yeah, that's a good energy. Okay, because completion of something means you have completed one cycle and now you are ready for the new one. Okay, let's see what is the energy of the person right now. What is the energy of the person you are not in contact with right now? What is the energy of the person you are not in contact with right now? Okay, got it. So this person is somewhere, also in this energy of seeing things from a maturity, seeing stability, emotionally stable होके चीजों को देख रहे हैं. For some of you they are waiting for the time to come. Okay, ये किसी चीज के होने का वेट कर रहे हैं for some of you कि when they will be more emotionally stable in their whatever they are going through in their life. This is a mutual energy and this is the energy of your person. Okay, so even if things are things have completed, still they are waiting for that emotional stability, that maturity to deal with their own emotions or maybe the situation. Okay, if it has not ended at all, so they are still waiting for the things to turn, and things to turn in their favor, and how they can become more emotionally available and mature enough to move things ahead. Emotional deep down बहुत से turmoils चल रहे हैं, but they are still trying to balance thing in a mature way. That is also the message I'm getting here for some of you. Okay, all right, let's see what are their thoughts for you. What does this person think of you? What does this person think of you? What does this person think of you or think about you? What are the thoughts of this person for you? Okay, all right. This person think that you are somewhere who is very logical. Okay, very logical, intelligent, having that clear, good communication skill, who is not afraid to speak whatever you want to, and someone who is blessed, and someone who is very creative also. For some of you, that you are good enough, you are doing good in your life, and they want to communicate to you, but they are somewhere not as mature as you are, not as independent as you are, not as brave or as courageous as you are. Okay, and somewhere deep down they have this subconscious fear ki this person is out of my league. Agar main if even if I try to speak to this person, things may not turn out to be so positive, the outcome may not be so positive. Okay, so this person is having deep down this fear of not being able to communicate to you, not being able to uh, basically get back together with you, and they are not able to create a balance between their head and heart. उनका हार्ट बोलता होगा कि जस्ट try to communicate, and their head is like, no need, why do you want to communicate, have you forgotten the the issue that happened, that kind of thing. Okay, that was just an example. So उस तरह की एनर्जी मुझे दिख रही है, that this person wants to reach out to you. They think you are very charismatic, intelligent, bold, courageous. I mean, it's like whatever they just can't stop thinking about you in a simple, crisp manner. If I say this person can't stop thinking about you, they are thinking about you, they want to come to you, but they are struggling between creating a balance between their head and heart. As the thing is, something has completed, and now they are thinking whether will it make any sense to reach out or not. Okay, for some of you, they may be watching you from afar also. दूर से देखते हैं क्या चल रहा है, I should reach out or not, the person is available or not. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see what does this person feel for you. What does this person feel for you? Oh, this person is super attracted towards you. There's a lot of attraction. Maybe someone is obsessing over you is also I'm getting. There's this energy of being obsessively thinking, attracted. For some of you, it's more than a lust over love. Love is not as much as lust. Okay, please clarify the Lover's card as the feeling of this person. Please clarify the Lover's card as the feeling of this person. Please clarify the Lover's card as the feeling of this person. Okay, yep. This person feels nostalgia with you. Okay, they feel like they can be having that energy of being playful around you, being childlike energy, open up. They don't have to think of who they are, what they are talking about, what they are how they are dressed up, anything. Like they can be just how they are in front of you. There is a lot of that deep connection they feel. It's like they don't think twice before saying. They can just crack a joke or say anything. They are not having any fear of being judged when they are with you, or they think about you, or the moment they think आपने जो भी time spend किया है, when they think about you, they just kind of forget how they used to be with you. not thinking of having that maturity, not having the sense of what they're talking, like just like child, free from no fear of being judged. That is what I'm getting. And this person definitely wants a new beginning with you. But there is this energy of having physical attraction. This person, for some of you, there can be love, but for some of you, there is this energy of having the physical attraction more. That is what I am getting. There is so much of passion, there is so much of, obsession, obsessively thinking about you or the time you have spent together. And they just want the confusion to be cleared so that the air between you is clear so that they can try to come back. They are definitely thinking about you. They want a new beginning with you, maybe starting the same connection before, या फिर maybe a friendship kind of thing or just communication, but they definitely want a new beginning with you here. Okay, let's see what is blocking this connection. What is blocking this connection here? Okay, the devil card and the emperor. Okay. Huh. They think like something is blocking this connection. Something is blocking means they're I'm getting it strongly that this person feel they are in a situation, or you are in a situation where you feel like you are stuck. Things are, you can't do anything, nothing is in your hand. You are, because of the people आपके आसपास की सिचुएशन, circumstances, आपके connections, जो भी है वो बहुत वो बहुत आपके ऊपर बहुत बंदिश बना के रखा है उसने, and you are not able to set yourself free. That is what I am getting. But the thing is, and for some of you there is this ego also. Okay, there is this ego coming in between. It can be you, it can be them, it can be a mutual thing, but there is this ego coming in. But there is also this energy with the ego that I can't do anything, I have tried my best, but I can't set myself free. मेरे हाथ बंधे हुए हैं, मैं फंसा हुआ हूँ या फंसी हुई हूँ इस सिचुएशन में, and even if I want, I can't communicate for whatever reason. Okay, so that is what the energy is. For some of you, I also see that you feel like you are being watched. For some of you, I don't know, I'm getting it very strongly that there is a third party involved, and because of that third party connection, आप दोनों अपने अपने सिचुएशन में आपको लग रहा है कि सिचुएशन इज नॉट इन आवर हैंड एंड वी कांट डू एनीथिंग, वी कांट सेट आवरसेल्फ फ्री एंड वी कांट कम्युनिकेट. But at the same time, there is this ego also that why should I communicate first? Let the other person do. That is also the energy here. Whom you are dealing with, yaar? I don't know. Why there is so much obsession, want to come back, then feeling things are basically, dealing with someone who is having that victim mindset. I can't do anything kind of energy. Okay, let's see. What are the next moves if there are any? What are the next moves if there is any or there are any? Please tell me what's the next move in this no contact situation, either from this person or mutual. What are the next moves in this connection? What's the next move in this connection? I just want one card, please. Sorry. Okay. What's the next move in this connection? What is the next move in this connection? Okay, we take. Oh, see, every card is having a major arcana thing, which is ultimately a soul's lesson or a turning point in soul's life. This is like every card has a major arcana card, and this normally doesn't happen, but yeah, see. Okay, so the next move is you both are somewhere focusing on your independence, focusing on your finances, focusing on your growth. If you're having a family, so some of you, if you are dealing with someone who is already into a family connection, okay, someone who is already married or already having a partner, then that person or that connection is focusing more on the family and growing. It's like if they are planning for a new baby, they are planning to expand their family or add a new family member. That kind of energies I'm getting. And basically there is this energy of focusing on our own growth. For some of you, you're focusing on your spiritual growth also. You're trying to balance your head and heart and listen to your intuition. That is what I'm getting for some of you. For some of you, I'm also seeing that you might be practicing some meditation so that आपको वो इनर पीस मिल सके जो कि आपको इस सिचुएशन से मूव ऑन करने में इजी हो. I'm strongly getting some of you are also focusing on meditation, and if you are not, try to do that, okay? Because I am not seeing any communication happening here. Rather, I am seeing कि आप लोग अपने इंडिपेंडेंस पे, अपने फाइनेंसेस पे, अपने फैमिली में, अपनी ग्रोथ पे फोकस कर रहे हो, एंड कनेक्टिंग विद योर ओन इनर सेल्फ. बेसिकली अपने जो आपके इमोशंस फ्लक्चुएट, आपके मूड स्विंग्स हो रहे होंगे आपको, समटाइम्स यू आर लाइक यू माइट बी मिसिंग द ओल्ड कनेक्शन, समटाइम्स यू आर लाइक नो आई एम फ्री, आई एम इंडिपेंडेंट, तो उस तरह की एनर्जी भी है. सो टू बैलेंस दैट आपको मेडिटेशन करने की जरूरत है. ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वाटर, एंड ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग फॉर सम ऑफ यू देयर इज समथिंग टू बी रिवील्ड, okay? It can be from your side, it can be from their side, but something is to be revealed in this connection, which might help you even more to move on from this connection. ठीक है, कुछ सीक्रेट है जो रिवील होने वाला है. एंड yes, that is what I'm getting strongly. So just try to balance your emotions. अपने आप को आप हाइड्रेटेड रखिए, ड्रिंक मोर वाटर, कनेक्ट विद नेचर, थोड़ा मेडिटेशन करिए, so that will, and focus on your health, focus on your finances, focus on your growth. Basically, no need to get back into this energy of feeling stuck and all that, okay? Now let's see what is the near future outcome. What is the near future outcome in this connection? And then we will see the advice for you. What is the near future outcome here in this connection? What is the near future outcome in this connection? What is the near future outcome in this connection? What is the near future outcome in this connection? Okay. All right. Okay, so we have the Five of Swords. Please clarify Five of Swords. Okay, so focus, you don't have to focus on taking revenge, you don't have to focus on कि दूसरा person क्या कर रहा है, how I can pull the other person down. या तो आप, या तो whatever the another person is, whoever the another person is, आपको revenge वाली energy में नहीं जाना है. आपको अपने joy पे focus करना है. You need to focus on celebrating your success, celebrating your own growth, celebrating with your loved ones, celebrating with your family, friends, okay? तो आपको अपने celebration पे ध्यान देना है, ना कि past person पे. Is that person sad? Is that person happy? So because there is this energy of feeling good if the person is hurt, and not feeling good if the person is happy, which is not good. This is again a mutual energy, okay? So I'm not saying this is your or your person, it is a mutual energy. So if you are having this energy of taking revenge, forget about it, because if you are hurt, you will feel more hurt if the person is happy. If you truly love that person, just let it go, okay? Let that person go. If the connection is meant in your life, it will come back. If not, set it free. If you will set it free, you will feel yourself more happy and at peace, okay? I know it is easy to say, but try to do that, okay? Focus on your own happiness, your own success, your own ग्रोथ एंड सेलिब्रेशन, ओके? आपको जो चीज़ खुशी देती है आप वो करिए. आपको ट्रैवल करना अच्छा लगता है, गो फॉर ट्रैवलिंग. आपको अपने फ्रेंड्स से अगर आप नहीं मिल रहे हो, ट्राई टू मीट देम, ट्राई टू स्पीक टू देम, प्लान अ स्मॉल वेकेशन, इवन इट कैन बी अ वन डे डे आउटिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग. Just spend time with the people and celebrate your success, and connect with those who are actually happy for your happiness and your growth, okay? Okay. Now let's see what is the advice we have for you. What is the advice we have for you? Okay. So we have, see, again the world card, here the world card, again the world card. So something is completed, okay? आपकी लाइफ में कुछ फेज कंप्लीट हुआ है एंड नाउ थिंग्स आर मूविंग. यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन योर ग्रोथ, यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन क्या चीज़ है जो आपको कंप्लीट फील कराती है, आपको खुशी देती है. इट कैन बी वर्किंग ऑन on your health or working on your career goal. It can be anything basically. Okay, so आपको अपना past baggage drop करना है. If you are taking extra baggage, आपकी journey heavy होती जाएगी. See, the cards are here, she is free and here she is having so much of baggage to take, right? So drop off जो भी आपका heavy, आपने unnecessary baggage अपने साथ लिया है, अगर आपको अपने आगे की journey light और ज़्यादा enjoyable बनानी है तो आपको past के baggages जो भी unnecessary baggage है basically, आपको उसको drop करना पड़ेगा. It can be as simple as deleting all the photographs, deleting the contacts, if you have ultimately decided to move on from the situation, so that you can focus on your growth, focus on yourself, focus on your future. Okay, so जो भी extra baggage है उसको, there is a strong confirmation that you need to delete, drop, and focus on your goals. Again, the Queen of Swords, be logical, not emotional. Okay, logical होके, practical होके अपने life के बारे में आपको सोचना है, अपने future के बारे में आपको सोचना है, and be very clear on your communication. It's like being like a queen, taking the charge, taking the responsibility of your own life, basically taking that driving wheel of your car in your own hands, right? ताकि कोई और आपको इधर उधर ना भटका सके. You can go wherever you want, okay, and you are clear on your goals basically. Okay, we'll take 2 more. So as I said, for some of you it was a transformation energy. Okay, so kuch painful or something needs to be ended so that something new can begin. So that's a confirmation again that something needs to be ended. Again, it's a major arcana card here. So कि कुछ पेनफुल खत्म हुआ है सो दैट कुछ नया स्टार्ट हो सके. इट्स अ डेथ एंड अ रीबर्थ कार्ड. तो एज आई सेड ना कि एक साइकिल कंप्लीट होती है तभी हमारी लाइफ की नया फेज स्टार्ट होता है, राइट? सो दीज आर just the confirmation of the cards which have come before. And one more thing is, somebody is coming towards you. Okay, so once you drop off all the past baggage, okay, you be yourself, be happy, celebrate, okay, do good things, do things what makes you feel good, and be logical, take the charge of your life. Don't be in that energy के past क्या कर रहा है, वो मेरे बारे में सोच रहा है या नहीं. अरे आपको अपना टाइम और आपकी एनर्जी पास्ट में वेस्ट नहीं करनी है, राइट? कब तक पास्ट में अपना एनर्जी वेस्ट करना है, राइट? यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट बेसिकली. सो you need to drop off the past baggage, set yourself free, take the charge of your life, be like a queen, clear, logical, okay, clear in your communication, confident, okay. Work on that and believe that whatever needs to end will end, okay. And someone is coming towards you, somebody is coming with a love offer, someone who is very emotionally available, committing, a long-term commitment kind of energy I'm getting. Someone who will be available with you in your tough times also. Somebody coming with a pure intentions is also what I'm getting, with having a lot of love in their heart. Okay, that's a beautiful card. Okay, that's a very good reading, guys. Just focus on your growth, focus on your independence, focus on your goals. Listen to your intuition, thoda meditate kariye. Let the past be in the past. Don't let your present be ruined by the past. Okay, just do that. We'll take one guiding message from the fairies deck and we'll end this reading. One guiding message from the fairies deck, please. Please give me a guiding message for my viewers. Please give me a guiding message for my viewers. Basically, if the things are not moving ahead and you both are focusing on your own good, best is focus on your own good. Now, why you have to think of the past and get into that past energy? Okay, drop off all the unnecessary baggage, emotional baggage, materialistic baggage also. Okay, materialistic baggage means the unnecessary photographs which will drag you to the past again. You know, anything basically which reminds you of the past, just get rid of it, and focus on your growth, focus on your present and your future. Okay, now the guidance is inspiration. Be prepared, as you will soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she said she can call at any time. So you will get some kind of sign, okay, some kind of symbol. It can be any मैसेज मे बी आप कोई रील देख रहे हो जिसमें आपको ये मैसेज मिल जाए कि यू हैव टू मूव ऑन. इट कैन बी a video coming to you, it can be a song coming in front of you, it can be a dream, a vivid dream coming to you, telling you to move on or to forget your past or to release the past or release the baggage or anything basically. So look for a sign, and that sign will give you more motivation and confirmation to release and let go of that heavy blockage and the heavy baggage, okay, to set yourself free. So that's a beautiful reading, guys. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading. And if you have liked it, please do like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.